Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unarchive a story on Instagram. Stick around till the end to learn this quick and easy process to restore your stories. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, click on the profile icon, which you will find in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're on your profile, click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And from the menu that appears, look for Archive option. Once you find it, click on it and here you will see all your archived stories. So browse through the list and select the story that you want to unarchive. Tap on story to open it. At the bottom, you will see the option of add to your highlights. Tap on it if you want the story to appear in your profile highlights. But if you want to repost the story, then click on three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on share. Now here you can adjust or edit the story as needed and then click on share, and with that the story will now be unarchived. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.